Hi all. Today we are going to focus on T-bill equivalent function. So when we are considering a T-bill, we are considering for issuance less than 1 year, and a T-bill is being issued at a discount and redeemed at premium. So if we want to compare the returns that we get or the yield we get from a T-bill with respect to a, let's say, a long-term bond, then we need to use T-bill equivalent function. The parameters that we need are settlement date, maturity date, and discount rate. So settlement date is the date at which payout happens to the investor of the bond. Maturity date is the date or timeline by which the bond expires. And we have the discount rate. So let's use this T-bill equivalent function. So we have the settlement date, we have the maturity date, and we have the discount rate. So let me put in the decimals. We get 6.146%. I can also calculate that manually using the function in cell D11. So this is 365 times discount rate divided by 360 minus discount rate multiplied with the differential of the maturity date and settlement date. Few things we need to keep in mind that settlement date cannot be more than maturity date. So let's say if the settlement date becomes more than maturity date, we'll get a error. Also, our maturity date cannot be more than 1 year 1 year as compared to the settlement date because we are dealing with a T-bill. So let me make it 24. This will give me an error. Also, my discount rate cannot be negative. The discount rate is negative, it will further give an error. Now, if I have to compute this manually, I'll use the formula 365 multiplied with discount rate divided by 360 minus uh, what's my discount rate, which is 6%, multiplied with differential of maturity date minus settlement 2, 3. If I convert this to percentage and put in the decimals, I'm getting the same answer. So these are the two ways I can compute the bond equivalent yield in case of a T-bill. In case you found the video helpful, please do like the video and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your